Hello student, we will continue exercise 3.3 sum 4 to 9 understanding quadrilaterals chapter 3rd. Sum 4 is on your screen. Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but exactly two opposite angles are of equal measures. We will draw here a rectangle. Name of this ABCD. ABCD is a rectangle in which opposite angles are equal. Sum number 5. The measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measures of each of the angles of a parallelogram. Parallelogram, name of it ABCD. Two adjacent angle, angle A, angle B, or angle A, angle D, angle B, angle C, or angle C, angle D. Let me take angle A and angle B. Given angle A ratio angle B equals to 3:2. To find all angles of the parallelogram. Solution. Let the ratio x, then angle A is equals to 3x, angle B is equals to 2x. Sum how much? 180. Give reason why it is. क्यों है ये? Because of co-interior angles. These two lines parallel to each other. AB is transversal. That's why sum of these two angle is 180 degree. Angle A is of 3x. Angle B 2x equals to 180. हम ऐड करेंगे इसको 5x के मल्टीप्लाई में है. जब आप इसकी साइड चेंज करेंगे तो ये डिवीजन में चला जाएगा. 5 3 = 15, 5 6 = 30. X is 36. Hence angle A is equals to 3x. x की वैल्यू 36. कितना आ गया? 108. Angle A is equals to angle C. 108 because opposite angles are equal of a parallelogram. Then angle B is of 2x. 2 into 36 makes 72. Angle B is equal to angle D, 72 degree. Same reason opposite angles are equal of a parallelogram. Hence all angles, angle A 108, angle B 72, angle C 108, angle D 72 degree of a parallelogram. Now next, sum number 6. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measures. Find the measure of each of the angle of a parallelogram. Make figure. Give its name. I am taking its name LOVE. Given LOVE is a parallelogram. To find all angles of parallelogram. Solution. Let I am taking angle N and angle O equals to x degree, because two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measures. Then x plus x equals to 180. Reason: co-interior angles. X to x, solving, angle x is equals to 90 degree. Angle L 90 degree equals to angle V, because opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Angle O, that is also of 90 degree, which is equals to angle E. Same reason, here you will mark opposite angles are equal of a parallelogram. At last answer, angle LX, that is 90 degree, angle O 90, angle V 90, angle E 90. All angles are equal of a parallelogram according to condition. Sum number 7. The adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. Find the angle measures X, Y and Z. Given figure, you have to make always right side of the notebook. HOPE is parallelogram given. Then to find X, Y, Z unknown quantities. After to find solution. Angle Y plus Z is equals to 70 degree. Angle 40 plus Z equals to 70. Reason: corresponding angles. Then angle Z of 30 degree. Next, angle Z plus Y is equals to 70 degree. By exterior angle property, here we can use another method also, that is angle Y is equals to 40, direct method. Okay na, because of alternate interior angles. Angle Y is equals to 40. Reason: alternate interior angles. See, these two lines are parallel, transversal. These two angles are alternate interior angle. Now left part is X. X we can find by co-interior property. Angle X plus 40 plus Z is equals to 180. Reason: co-interior angles. These two lines are parallel to each other, symbol of parallel. Then angle E plus angle H equals to 180. E आपके पास X है, H 40 plus Z. Z we know 30 degree. Solving, then X is equals to 110. Hence x 110 degree, y 40 degree, z 30 degree is your answer. Now the sum number 8 is on your screen. Here guns is a parallelogram. See its name, GUNS. Guns is a parallelogram given. To find x and y, solution. Figure right side of the page given to find at the left hand side. We know that opposite sides are equal. 3x equals to 18. Give reason. Opposite sides are equal. Then x is equals to 6. 3y minus 1 equals to 26. Same reason. Opposite sides are equal. That's why value of y is minus 1 goes to in plus. Simple solving, which you already done in chapter number 2. 3, 9. The y is 9. X 6. Y is 9. That is your required answer. You can justify it also. If x 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 equals to 18. Y 9, 3 9 is 27, 27 minus 1, 26, which is equal. You can solve here also. Put the value y 9, 27 minus 1, 26, 26, and we know that opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. Sum number 8, its second part. RUNS is a parallelogram. Given RUNS is a parallelogram. To find x and y, solution. We know that SU and RN is diagonal of the parallelogram and it bisect each other. Then y plus z is equals to 20. Reason, diagonals bisect each other of a parallelogram. Then y is 13. If unit is not mentioned, then you will use here 13 units. After it, x plus y is equals to 16. Same reason, because we know that diagonal bisect each other. Put the value of y, 13. Solving, x is 3. At last, you will write the answer. X is 3 units, y is 13 units. Next one is sum number 9. Given RISK risk and CLUE clue is two parallelograms. To find x, given risk and clue is parallelograms. To find x, solution. RK is parallel to IS. Here I am marking angle 1, here angle 2. RK is parallel to IS and KS is transversal. Then angle 1 plus 120 equals to 180. Reason, co-interior angles. Solving, angle 1 is of 60 degree. Then in parallelogram clue, in parallelogram CLUE, angle L is equals to angle 2, or we can say it SEM. एंगल L इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल 2. न्यूमरल एंगल जब हम देते हैं थोड़ा सा इजी हो जाता है आप लोगों के लिए. अगर आप न्यूमरल वैल्यू नहीं देना चाहते देन यू कैन राइट SEM ऑल्सो. एंगल L इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल 2. रीजन opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Angle L 70, that's why angle 2 is of 70 degree. Now what we have to find? X. In triangle ESM, angle 2 plus 1 plus x is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle, angle 2 70, angle 1 that is 60 degree. Angle X we have to find, that is 50 degree is your answer is on your screen. Okay student, I repeat question number 9. Risk and clue is 2 parallelograms. We have to find X. इसके लिए आपने मार्क किया एंगल 1, एंगल 2. RK is parallel to IS. KS is transversal. Then sum of these two angles. Angle 1 plus 2 180. Angle 1 is 180 minus 120 60 आ जाएगा. पैरेललोग्राम क्लू लेंगे आप जहां पर एंगल 2 70 के इक्वल है. एक्स निकालने के लिए आपने ट्राइंगल यूज किया ESM और एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. देन x is 50 degree. Hence x is 50 degree is your required answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.